Okay, right now I'm going to go ahead and do another incremental save on this, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and lay these parts out as if I'm going to, get them ready for 3D printing. Because I really am just curious to see how long it's going to take to print these parts. But again, I may not be done with it, but let's see. Save it down under a different file name like that. Okay, then we eliminate the stuff that's not pertinent to 3D printing. Even the diffuser and the lid aren't. Pretty much all the remaining parts are to be 3D printed. So, save that. Now, this object, as you recall, prints from the bottom up. This object prints from the top down, so I got to go and turn it upside down, and what I do is I usually move it to the origin to get it on the deck. Move it out of the way. And this part here I got to get on the origin as well. Make sure I select a point on the bottom. Hit that. Okay, and also go, let's see, select objects, curves, and delete all the, oh darn it. Objects, curves, delete all those. Then, let's see, this part here prints from the bottom up, so we're fine on that. Just have to move it to 0, 0. And get it out of there. And this part has got to be flipped like that, and then moved to 0, 0. Get it out of the way there. Now this part here, well, let's start with the lid. This part needs to get flipped and moved. And this part here prints from the bottom up. Now, this is a ring, and a ring, where you recall, prints from the bottom up as well. And this part here prints from the bottom up also. And finally, this part here needs to be flipped. It prints from the top down. Alright, so if we zoom in, you can start to see why these print from the top are, that I orientate them the way I did. So we got the flat surfaces, so we're not printing overhangs, so this works. This works too. So does that. So does that. So does that. So does this. If I recall correctly, we got our 45-degree chamfers under there. This has to print upside down, so these threads can all print, although this in some ways probably could have printed any way except for this ledge here, so that necessitates us printing it this particular way. This, or intricate switch wells and stuff like that have to be on top because this can't print upside down very. I mean, it kind of could, but print upside down a little bit, but on something like this because it's connected to other surfaces. But again, it can't go around curves and everything else. And of course, this obviously needs to be printed this right side up. So now, of course, Robo 3D will print an 8 by 10 work area. So it would be difficult to get everything to print at once, and even still I think the program itself, matter control or whatnot, would kind of choke on it if we did, especially with the resolution I export these. I mean, it could theoretically be printed all at once. And I'll try it. Here in a little bit, but let me go ahead and export these objects all as one. So export selected, and we're going to export it double stack handle. I usually create a 3D print. Folder for STLs. Go down and select hunt for and select STL. Okay. And I'll export it at a resolution of about 2 mil. Actually, for this, I'll try to say 4 mil or something like that. Yeah, definitely had a bit of a challenge with that one. Okay. Alright, now let me go pull up the program. We'll see what